Whoa, they are beautiful. Look at that. So currently I do have side skirts on my car, but they are matte black. They came with the car because it's M Performance, but yeah, these are, wow, gloss black is the color I wanted. Wow, look at that. Amazing, guys. Very good. You got drill points there already cut out for you. More drill points if you want them. So yeah, I'm going to try a higher ramp so I can lift it up and do it, because doing on jack stands is going to be very difficult to do that, because it's going to be on the, it has to be on the jacking point, won't it? Whereas if I use a ramp I can take the old one off and it's easier, a lot easier. So thank you Ninte, I really appreciate it. Wow, look at the quality on that finish. Completely shiny and gloss black, I love it. Alright guys, so we couldn't actually get a ramp, so we are going to have to do a jack stands. So it's going to be a bit more harder to record, harder to do, but yeah, it is what it is, unfortunately, because getting one on short notice is very difficult unless you know people. So yeah, so please enjoy the rest of the video. I'm going to go over to the car now and get the old ones off and install the new ones. Alright guys, we're at the car now. Look at this shit, matte black side skirts. No good, is it?
It's not.
Not good. So I'd like to thank Ninte for sending me these gloss black ones.
And thank
So
you
we've
for
got them
sending
over
us
there.
some Kinder Buenos as well.
Who the hell sends you Kinder Bueno? Did this
I
store
know,
send?
I'm just craving Kinder Bueno.
Yeah, thank you Ninte store for sending me the, what they called? Side skirts, gloss black ones, M Sport ones. So first thing we need to do is remove these ones. So I'm going to do that quickly off camera. So then you have like a, so it'll be like putting on a new one basically. So I'm just going to take this off and then we'll get ahead with the other one.
Yeah, these ones.
But yeah, we don't have a ramp, so it's going to be very hard. I'm just going to do as best as I can.
It's going to take some time.
I might have to lift it a bit. So yeah, let's see what happens. So the tools you'll need is probably a drill to drill some self tappers into there. What else?
So we've got some
masking tape.
self tappers.
Masking tape, just to hold this in place if you don't have someone with you. Actually, I recommend it anyway, even if you do have someone with you.
Yeah.
That's what we're going to do. Just to hold it in place so it doesn't move a bit.
I swear I read Max on a list.
Yeah, you're Max, bro.
Innit?
Larry's the new Max.
I'm Asian. How am I going to be Max?
I guess let's go ahead and yeah, I'm gonna take this off and then we'll come back. I'll probably line it up and then maybe mask it off, like hold it up with masking tape. Yeah, what do you think?
Yeah.
I can't really show you the best way because we don't have a ramp, so we'll do as best as we can. So for now I'm just gonna take off the old one because it's ugly, isn't it?
Go some my trousers.
Let's see one. Oh shit, it's a gun now. What is that one? What's the point of that, bro?
I don't know.
Guys, we'll be right back. Let me take this one off. It might be a bit harder than, yeah. Guys, we got the things on, as you can see. So we're holding up with all these masking tape right now. The gloss one's on right now. You can see it's a bit glossy. So what we're going to do now is, where's the drill? Lift the car up a bit, go underneath and drill some self tappers in. I guess gloss black side skirts, look how nice they look, guys. 100 times. Let me show you the difference. These are the matte ones. They look like shit. And the gloss black ones, amazing. So thank you Ninte store for sending these out. Really appreciate it. I wish I could do a better video, but unfortunately we don't have a ramp and we don't have much time either.
Ramp soon on.
So hopefully we can get a ramp soon. But yeah, everything's been done. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you Ninte store, I appreciate it. I'll have a link in the description for the product. Thank you guys for watching.
Please subscribe to my channel.
And please somebody buy us a ramp so we don't ever have to have this problem again. Because that was pretty, well basically all I did was lift the car up with a jack and just rivet it. Well, 2 were rivets, the rest were self tappers. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.